Hey guys, in today's video you'll be checking out some of the best Halloween banners available in the market. We have combined them according to their quality, capacity, price, user satisfaction and ease of use. You can find out more info about them in the description box below. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon below to be the first to know about any new videos. Ranking at number 4 we have Outdoor Halloween Banners. This fabric Halloween banners feature single stitched sides to avoid rips and tears. It will hold strong throughout events and seasons. This trick-or-treat banner set the scene with eye-catching designs to spark your outdoor Halloween decorations decor. At number 3 we have XIFAN Halloween Banners. It is made of weather-resistant 600D polyester Oxford fabric. It's hang at front porch, balcony or garage door for a unique welcome for all your guests. The abundance of colors and fun textures is easy to incorporate into your porch and front door areas. At number 2 we have XIFAN Halloween Banners. It is made of durable 300D Oxford fabric, weather-resistant, UV fade-resistant and can be reused. Each banner attaches a rod and rope at the top to hang it easily on your front door. It features 2 brass grommets at the bottom to prevent the flying at windy days. At number 1 we have WEKIOOBON Halloween Banners. The banners measure 11.8 inches by 70.8 inches. It comes assembled with rod and ribbon. It comes made of weather-resistant polyester Oxford fabric. It is suitable for both indoor and outdoor purposes. Now it's your turn. Let us know in the comment box below as this video helps you to find the best Halloween banners for your need.